In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your name on Gmail. Alright, so I'm starting here on my Gmail inbox. Everything's already open and ready to go. What I'm going to do first is head up to the top right corner and click on the gear icon. That's where all your settings are. As soon as I click that, this quick settings panel appears. And from here, I'm going to click on see all settings so I can open the full settings page. Now I'm inside the settings and I'm going to look across the top for the tab that says accounts and import. Once I find it, I'll go ahead and click on it. Alright, so now I'm in the right section. From here, I'm going to scroll down a bit until I find the part labelled send mail as. This is where Gmail shows the name that appears when you send emails. Now next to your email address, you'll see an option that says edit info. So I'm going to click on that. This opens up a small window where I can change the name that's displayed when I send emails. So what I'm going to do here is go into the name field and enter the new name that I want to use. I'll just type it in and make sure it looks exactly how I want it to appear to other people. Once that's done, I'm going to click on save changes. And just like that, the updated name is now applied to the account. Now whenever I send emails, this new name will show up as the sender instead of the old one. If you want to change it again later, you can always come back to the same section and update it anytime. It's a quick setting, but it's really useful if you want to personalize how your emails appear. And once you've done it once, it becomes really easy to adjust whenever needed. So yeah, that's it. That's how you change your name in Gmail using the account settings on your PC.